How to transfer ownership in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of Canva application on your device. Then after checking on that, just go to your Canva application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Then all you have to do is just tap on the settings icon. After tapping on settings, you'll be able to see this option of team details. So just tap on it. Then what you have to do is you can see the option of change owner under the change team owner section. So just tap on change owner, and then here you'll be able to add or search for a team member and just add in the name, and you'll be able to change or transfer the ownership in Canva. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.